Since joining the project, I've started uni, completed, graduated, and now have a 5-year-old son. Kind of that demonstrates to me how long I've been around. So I obviously like it quite a bit here. Yeah, sorry, I've rotated, haven't I? Yeah, sorry. So my name's Cantwell. I'm a construction engineer and NEC supervisor working for Tideway. Putney is one of the sites with one of the most unique designs across the whole project. We've got a single passed line shaft. The rest of the sites on West were a double passed line in. The time, the program savings that we made at Putney by using these methods were profound and has allowed Putney to be one of the first sites to hand over. The fact that this project leaves a lasting legacy in London is something that's quite important for me. I'm born and raised in Fulham, which is a stone's throw across the river from Putney. The fact that we're leaving small areas of land behind that people can use, that members of the public can use, is very important to me. The fact that I can then walk over that bridge with my son and point it out and say, look, that's where we work, that's where we had the shaft, that's where we had the tunnels, that's quite an important part for me as well. The major events on site were the construction of their drop shaft and the 2 pipe jack tunnels. They were huge key achievements, but a lot of that did go unnoticed. So when you're walking through Putney, all of this work's going on below ground. I think one of the key events that took place, the road closure of Putney Bridge, which allowed us to remove the pipe jack structure. It was a huge event which carried out over a weekend. We had Putney Bridge closed, we had huge cranes situated on Putney Bridge, dealing with road closures, local residents, and actually managed to get it out successfully in time, a huge achievement. Having gone to school and studied in London, we're very well aware that it's a very diverse community. And I think that's something that Tideway has ensured that it celebrates. So the fact that you sit in meeting rooms with people from very different cultures, different languages, different mother tongues, different accents, but we all have to work together to achieve our overall goal. And I think that's something to be celebrated. So one of my heroes in my own personal life, and it's probably something that people say quite often, but it is definitely my grandma, my nan. Going back to the start of the project, one of the reasons that I joined and when I started my interview, I always kind of said, well, my nan lives within a stone's throw from the Cantwell Road site. That's why I'd like to be here. And I also mentioned that if anything ever went wrong, I'm sure I'd be the first to hear about it. And I tend to have a lot of care about it because my nan lives so close to the site. She's someone who's worked hard for all of her life, is London born and raised, and is proud to be so. And I think a lot of my drive, my commitment, my effort towards this career has come from her to make her proud, as well as the rest of my family. I can show her that now, she'll absolutely melt.